So yeah, thank you for the very good and informative session. For me, it was actually also one of a good refresher. There are certain terminologies that I was aware before, but given the expanded risk in the cyberspace, so I really find it timely, especially now with the pandemic, that cyber-related events are more active. And of course, uh, me being a business continuity coordinator, I see that with the tips that you've given, I can incorporate those new terminologies knowledge, and I'm hoping that as as uh, um, as we continue with the development of our plans, also playbook, we're really looking forward to check with the materials that you're gonna share. In that that will be very beneficial also for us.